Vaishnavi from Kushalnagar.
Mm.
So I'm having back pain from past 4 to 5 years.
Mm.
So now it is very severe.
Mm.
I cannot stand for a long time.
Minutes you can standing?
Hardly 3 minutes.
Only 3 minutes.
Yeah.
After that you get pain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then even while sleeping, if I sleep straight to turn other side also, it will start paining.
Okay.
Then it will pain.
It's paining.
Yeah.
Okay. In this side?
Any side.
Any side?
Yeah. It will pain.
Okay.
One more knee pain is there from
Okay.
past 2
For
months.
for your back pain, you consult any doctors?
Yeah, I have consulted.
So how many times you go?
I have gone for almost 3 to 4 times. I have gone and
Okay.
consulted.
In where?
Madikeri.
Maragi. No pain?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Now work. How you feel now? How you feel now?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So
I had from 4 to 5 years.
okay.
So back pain from 4 to 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is very nice.
Oh, so how's your knee now?
Knee is also completely okay.